all are well. So today we have quite a bit of crafts and DIY ideas, which are my absolute favorite, and hopefully these DIYs will really add that color, warmth, and freshness that springtime really represents, and we can bring that into our home space. So first and foremost, I want to try and make a interchangeable front door wreath, and I want it to look kind of whimsical for spring and Easter, but I'm not sure if I can pull that off because of the type of wreath that I actually have purchased. So I am so excited to begin this project, and I can't wait to see what the end result is going to look like. So I am going to gather all the items and get ready to start making it. So I hope you enjoy watching the process. So here's the grand reveal of our whimsical spring wreath. Let me know what you all think in the comments below. Okay, so the wreath project actually took a lot longer than expected. So I spent basically most of my day working on the wreath because it was not working out correctly. But now I'm going to start on the interchangeable display piece that I want to put on top of the mantle. So hopefully this piece actually takes a lot less time than the others. So let's get started.
Staying up tonight and I'm all alone. Feeling okay, then you hit my phone. Saying, babe, wanna meet up? I'm in the club, but I'm done now. Can I come up? Saying, of course you can come by. I don't know why, but you're so shy. Oh, you're alright. Oh, you're alright. I'm gonna shut my mouth when you say what's on your mind. I can see the pain in your eyes. First I'm left, then I'm right. Don't know how to keep my calm. Baby, don't lose my way.
And here's the final review of my interchangeable little box here. I think it turned out pretty cute. What I'm going to do up here is add the little bird houses, and I'm not sure what I'm going to put in the middle because right now I only have two, so we'll play around with that. Okay, so that was a really fun project to make, and it went really quick. So my next project is I'm going to take the two smaller glass vases and put in the candy chocolates and then put some flowers on top because I didn't feel that my design idea was going to work out because of how small the vases were. So we're just going to do this simple task here because it's getting really late in the day and I'm getting really tired of doing all these DIY projects because of how long they're taking. So this is hopefully going to be a 1-minute project. Okay, so that was a really fun project, and now to keep everyone out from eating all of the chocolates, that will be good. But for now, I think I'm just going to try to find a little candy dish, which I think I'll just use the crystal one that's in the cabinet in the kitchen, and then put some chocolates so no one tries to take apart my little display. So my next project is going to be what I was originally going to be doing for these two vases, except I'm going to do it in this like different type of design vase. So hopefully it will work out. Now the battery is actually about to die, so I'm going to record as much as I can on this project and then show you what it looks like after it's completed. Okay, so that project turned out really cute. So for my last project of the night, I am going to begin all of the 4 paintings that I want to hang. Now, some of them aren't going to turn out as good as the others, but we're just going to hang them up so that there's some color on the wall.
I know you don't mean to, but you're blocking my view. I know you got issues, but I got my shit too. I don't wanna be your therapy no more, no more. You don't wanna hear this, but it's you, it's not me. Ooh, gotta go and grab a spoon now. Ooh, make a life for myself. Ooh, I don't know what I'ma do now.
So now comes the fun part. We are going to be decorating the whole entire living room as well as the front porch, and not really the back porch, but just add a little bit of flair to it. Okay, so here is all the Easter items that we have so far that we are going to be decorating with. I have quite the collection for this year after starting out with absolutely nothing and then just having these little guys right here. There's only one project left that I have yet to do, and it's this one, and we'll do that one last. I'll just decorate around it to see where exactly I want to put it. Okay, so for right now, I'm going to go ahead and just clear everything off of here that I'm not going to be using, as well as over here. And whatever I have left, I will just put on these two right here. And I'm going to take a couple flowers up there, such as those, and then put them where I normally put them on that one, as well as that one.
I saw the ending before the movie was done. I got thick skin because I've been burned before. I got baggage that you don't know of. Learn the hard way not to trust anyone. I'm not letting anyone get too close. I'm a wild one, I'm alright, love on my own. You probably think I'm hurting, but darling, I'll be fine. It's just a little heartbreak, when heartbreak fades
so here's the grand review. I think I pretty much have it completed. Although you can't really see the stickers that are on the window. That's the little carrot that we made the other day and finished up today. And then I made this little basket last night. And then this was kind of tedious. It doesn't look like it takes that long, but it actually took me an hour to do. And then these were actually going to be strung up there, but I decided that might be a little bit too much, so we just added them right there. So here's what this looks like over the fireplace. So I decided to put this little rabbit instead in the middle. And then a little bird. I cannot find any little chickens, so the birds and the bunnies are going to have to do for this year. And then on the door, if you can see it, I just put little stickers on there. And just like the front, you can't really see it, but that's what, if you can, that's what it looks like outside. And then over on the table for now, I just put some spring flowers. All right, so here's a grand reveal of the living room. Some of the pictures still aren't completed, but I wanted to put them up just to see what they would look like up there. So over here, just did a little bit, not much, and then put some stuff up there. And then over here, kind of ran out of decorations, so I just had the little stuff left. Same with over here. And I really like the mantle on how it turned out. I think it looks so good. Okay, and even though that you can't see all of the decor items on the door from outside right now, it still looks pretty. So I'm hoping that once it gets a little bit darker, that you'll be able to see everything. All right, so that is a wrap for today. Thank you so much for joining me today and yesterday on our adventures going shopping, as well as putting everything together for Easter and spring. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all are well, and thank you so much for everything, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye!